Hey guys, okay, how's it going? Okay everyone, welcome back to the episode of Car DIY. Okay, for today's episode, right, okay, it's not so much about DIY because I'm not doing it myself. Okay, today we are actually at Bath Works, okay, which is a workshop in Kaki Bukit, okay, that actually specializes in BMW. Okay, so today we are going to be doing an exhaust modification. I mean, it sounds good, it feels good, okay, and it's rather expensive. Okay, so stay tuned, and before we start, okay, please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, remember to do so. Okay, we'll be showing you more modifications. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so guys, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Okay, it's just a very simple exhaust swap. Okay, the exhaust I'm taking, okay, will be the Eisenmann quad exhaust. Okay, and it sounds really good. Okay, I mean like even in low res, right, it's the very bassy. I think it's really good. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Remember to smash the like button, okay, and remember to subscribe. Okay, I see you on the next one. Okay, we have more mods coming up. I have quite a few parts, okay, they are on the way to me. Okay, so see you, bye bye.